Hi, I'm Adam.
I'm Michelle, and these are 3 games for studying World War II. Undaunted is a deck building game for 2. You're going to be playing one player on the side of the Allies and one player on the side of Germany, and you're battling together. The rule book is filled with storylines from the actual battles that happened during that time. And so you're playing out this campaign where things continually get more challenging, you have more different units that you can use, but it's all dependent on what they actually had at their disposal during that actual battle. So it changes from game to game, which is really interesting. It gives you a chance to sort of just step into that role and think through how the battles went. And then you can see too, who actually won this battle and did the same side win the battle this time. So it's a nice way to go.
Captain Sonar is a game all about 2 teams taking on the role of 2 subs. And you are battling against each other and trying to find each other in this wide open ocean. You can play it turn by turn or real time, which really, I don't know, it really brings in the tension of an actual sub battle. So if you think Battleship, but you're playing on teams of 4 people on each side, and every single one of those 4 people has a particular role. Somebody's the captain, someone's the radar operator, someone's the engineer, and whatever. And you are going to be fighting back and forth against the other team on the other side of the table, trying to find out where they are and trying to see if you have what it takes to be able to take them down before they find you and hunt you down. So we feel this fits in really well with World War II, especially since the U-boats really became a major force during this war. And so that's why we would pair this up with World War II.
Secret Hitler is a secret role game. Now this one has a little bit higher player count, so you're going to be starting at least with 5 players. And you can go a little higher. So this is especially good for a larger group setting. But in this game, you're going to have your secret card inside your envelope. You're either going to be a liberal or you're going to be a fascist. And one person is playing as Hitler. Now this is all about the elections. This is actually going to be prior to World War II, but it's going to help your students to really understand, how did Hitler get in there? Why was he there in the first place? And so you're kind of playing through this and you're seeing how, you might in the end vote for Hitler and get him into power. And you think back and you go, how did I ever even think I should do that? That was a terrible idea. And you're able to really relate with how this might have happened. One of the really cool things about this game is that the makers of Secret Hitler have a free print and play copy that you can download online. And we'll put that into the description below if you want to give it a shot. Otherwise, we really love our actual print copy. So it's a great one to try. There are so many games, especially war games for World War II. What one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.